visited the ducks last night, but didn't get in. Not the fox. Oh, it's 9 o'clock. Well, anyway, that's a huge big fox print. That, on the other hand, is my husband making an igloo.
Rory.
Rory's out? Oh, Rory's coming out. Mr. Snoodle, Mr. Doogie. That's Mr. Snoogles. Rory isn't out yet. He's sticking his head up though. Hello. Hello. What do you make of this? Yeah, you don't like the cold, Rory, do you? Hmm? Still not in focus.